addiction. It's a flight. It's classy, and we're doing it for purple straw. Granddaddy Perp.
Super Lemon Haze will give you a yellow straw.
Yeah, little straw.
Watermelon Wave will give you the green straw. Rainbow Sherbet. We've got orange straw. And Paradise. We'll give you the blue straw for that one.
If we go viral, it's gonna be for this, alright guys? So you guys remember Grandma's Boy? Where when he freaks out and he goes to his dealer's house and he goes, I want you to take this shit and that shit and that shit and I want you to put it all into one joint. I want to smoke it. He goes, no one's ever done that, bro. I'll go to the fucking loony bin with you though. So none of my friends are here to go to the loony bin with me. But here we go.
You got the Watermelon Wave and Peach Paradise to finish it off.
Or it's just fruit punch.
It's a good way to think about it.
Is it me or is there something in there?
There's a little bit in there.
Like an absolute pro.
I don't know. I had to pick those up more than once.
But most people clear one of these cups out in a hit like that and cough their lungs out.